Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. So, 4-hour Bitcoin rally continues, moved a little sideways, 8 pushed into price, broke above key resistance through both of these levels, which we're watching, and getting to 89.91. So now we can, I'm assuming this is a pausing bar. If it doesn't, you'll have to update these levels, but it's close to a pausing bar, so that gives us some rough estimates. Key support now coming in right around 87.60, and then major support coming in at the bottom of this prior support channel and at the bottom of the 4-hour rotation zone, 8600. Resistance now, we're looking at 9,000. Once we get through there, 9,087, then major cluster 9184, 9177 to 9184. So those are the key areas we're watching based off the 4-hour chart. Really an overbought condition, so we might see a pause or a slight pullback here, but that would be a rotation potential buy. Again, educational purposes only. Not overbought yet on the daily chart. Nice coming up, sitting against a 200 simple moving average. You see where those levels sit. So if we get above 91.84, then we'd start watching for about 9,400 to 9,460 again. Major support based off the daily chart right at 8,400, 8,415. Switching over to Ethereum, 4-hour chart. See spiking through our 173 level, but closing back down at these key spike highs. There's still a lot of selling pressure. Above this about 171 level, there's major selling pressure. You can see right in here, there's some decent selling. So key support now coming in. We have this prior resistance becoming support and the rising rotation zone about 169. And then major support coming in at the bottom of this channel over here in the lower end of the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart, 166. Levels still staying. What I'm actually going to do, just remember the 175 level. What I'm going to do, though, is update this. This looks like it's definitely going to be a pausing bar, and now I have to go from the reverse GAN to the forward GAN. So here's our forward GAN. So we now have a cluster about 176.50 to 177, and then major cluster area about 179.50. So in any continued rally, minor area is at 177 area, major area is at 179.50. Let's take a look at that daily chart. We might also be setting up for a minor divergence on the 4-hour chart, but let's take a look at that daily chart. Daily chart, let me zoom in again. Yeah, really don't ignore this 177 level because we have the declining 200 simple moving average, which we haven't touched in a while. And that's a moving average that's really followed. It's one of the reasons we follow it. So there might be a rally, but you can see here back to rotation zone, rotating back up. There's still a selling pressure above here. But once we can get through there on a continued bullish move, everybody who's been selling here, or if there's any short, they will look to cover, and we could get a nice pop up higher. Key support based off the daily, there's the 166 area, but then the major support coming in now at about 159. Not an overbought condition either. So that's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.